Greetings, everyone. Special condolences to the family of the late great Sly-Dunbar, his musical family and fans. All protocols have been observed. I just want to acknowledge Minister Grange for her work in assisting these events to be what they are, and recognize the President of the Senate representing the Prime Minister. It's the first event that I've been to where there are 6 drum kits. And it just shows how special Sly-Dunbar is as a person. Jamaica's status as a cultural superstate lies in our having produced some of the most globally impactful artists of all times. Lowell Sly-Dunbar was one of those icons. His genius lay not only in technical brilliance, but in his unparalleled adaptability, his feel, and the power of his musical intuition. And I just pause from the text that I'm reading to say, Sly-Dunbar was an essential contributor to what we talk about when we say brand Jamaica. Because the rhythms that he produced, and some of the tracks that he played on in the studio, have helped to elevate Jamaican music to where it is. So respect due. Sly was not merely a master drummer. He was an architect of the modern Jamaican sound. He redefined the language of percussion and drumming in reggae, dancehall, and beyond, influencing generations of musicians across continents. His creative prowess as the maestro of Jamaican reggae rhythms resonated far beyond our shores. Sly's partnership with Robbie Shakespeare helped to shape the sound that became central to the worldwide identity of reggae music. The international demand for their services was built on their potent combination of unique innovation and rigorous professionalism. As their expertise in the studio became commercially proven, their flexibility in developing musical synergies with other genres resulted in them working with many of the best-known names popular music has offered across the world. We are grateful for their unique contribution to the established status of reggae among the world's leading popular music genres. Sly and Robbie together helped to make reggae be treated as a genre worthy of recognition everywhere. Sly was the quintessential musician. He did it for the love, and his humility was remarkable, given the prodigiousness of his talent. His work exemplified discipline, experimentation, and the quiet confidence of a man fully grounded in his craft. Beyond the accolades and achievements, we remember Sly as a son of Jamaica who carried our culture with pride and distinction, making an immense contribution to the soundtrack of our national journey. We are grateful for the power of his music as we mourn his passing. His legacy will continue to inspire all who are impacted by the transformative power of Jamaican music. I again offer condolences to his immediate family, his wife, Mrs. Thelma Dunbar, and his daughters, his extended family, friends, and the music community. And I also want to acknowledge the quality of the program for these proceedings today and the wonderful tributes that are in there, which I urge everyone to take the time to read because they are worthwhile reading. May Sly's soul rest in peace and light perpetually shine upon him as he made us shine through the music that he gave us. One love.